Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to search for a location on Google Maps app. So to do this, it's very easy. You have just to go to Google Maps, open it, and after that, as you can see, there is this search bar. You can use it to search for any place. For example, I will look for a hotel in my city or the airport. So this is the airport. You have just to click on it, and you have some other methods to use to search for places. For example, if you want to search for some restaurants, as you can see, there is a list on the top of the screen. You can use it to search for restaurants by just clicking on restaurants, and it will give you the restaurants nearby to your place. You can choose any one from them, or you can choose only the top rated or the top rated and open now, and you can manage those filters to find the place that you are looking for. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the